Hello, my name is Simona. I'm crochet designer and I'm creating modern, easy and stylish crochet projects. Welcome to my website. This is a world of crafts. On my website you will find firstly the instructions how to make crochet bags, totes, purses, clutches, baskets, rugs, carpets, placemats and many more crochet patterns. I'm creating easy and fun crochet patterns, modern crochet, as I am using most of the times macrame cord, soft, colorful and easy to work macrame cord. You can find also the macrame cord on my website. Also, I created do-it-your-kits for the projects for you, easy to find and easy to make. What you have to do, just get the do-it-your-kit, open the instructions and start creating your project. I am creating video tutorials, step-by-step video tutorials. Everything is really easy and fun to make. Also, you can find me on Instagram, Monome Studio. If you have any questions, please let me know. I'm here for you and enjoy crocheting.